Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to factory reset Windows 11. Click on Start, then Settings. Now here, click on Windows Update. Then click on Windows Options. Then click on Advanced Options. Here you will see underneath Additional Options, Recovery. Click on it. Now here guys, you will see setting reset this PC. Choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. Click on Reset PC. Now guys, here select you have one option. First one, keep my files. Removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files. Second settings, remove everything. Remove all of your personal files, apps and settings. So select as your requirement and wait for a few minutes till this process will complete. Hopefully guys, this is the way. Hopefully guys, you like this video. By this simple and easy settings, we can reset Windows 11. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, so please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.